interested in learning any kind of welding at all, you might be interested in becoming a pipe fitter or making big buildings or bridges, or manufacturing welding. John Deere is always hiring out of these programs. They're desperate for welders right now. There's a gap, and we're trying to fill it. I try and teach all types of welding on all types of alloys of steel. I don't limit kids to any just one type of welding. It's a skill to itself, but has multiple facets. That was one of the things I really liked about welding, is it's part of my skill in auto body as well as here. I run the class more like a skill building type of a class. So I'm looking to have students who don't know anything at all about welding, and by the time they're done in this 2-year program, they've done just about every kind of welding you can do. It's just such a big part of everyday life that I try to get them to understand that there is no limits to learning. I wish we had more time to have kids do more projects, but I'm too concentrated on making sure they have skills to get employment.